Hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. Well, I want to start with a quick thought, and then I have a quick question I want to ask you, okay? The thought is from Walt Disney, and Walt said, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." I love that. I'm going to say that one more time. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. What an amazing quote, thought by Walt Disney. Now, the question I have for you is, have you watched the Watch Here video from EmpowerLife Club? Okay, if you haven't, I encourage you to watch it. Okay, if you are looking at this opportunity, then I'm going to invite you to watch the Watch Here video. Okay, I call it the EmpowerLife Club introduction video. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the link in the description area of this video, with some other information as well. But I'll make this the first link in the description area. Okay. And so you can come to this page and you can watch the Watch Here video, the introduction video of EmpowerLife Club by the CEO, okay, of EmpowerLife Club. So there you have it. I don't know if I told you this was going to be short, but if I didn't, guess what? It's going to be a short video. So I'm going to wish you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.